Hey, I know. You've probably thought to yourself that people are making money on YouTube, and you wondered why you shouldn't start a channel and earn good money from every 1,000 views. And honestly, you're not wrong, but it's not that simple. If it were that easy, YouTube would have gone bankrupt a long time ago. So what does that mean? Should you not start a YouTube channel? Absolutely not. YouTube is one of those opportunities that once you truly understand it, you realize how powerful it really is. The first and most important rule of succeeding on YouTube is choosing the right topic for your channel and your videos. You've probably seen many videos where people say, "Teach AI" or "Talk about history." These topics get a lot of views. But the truth is, this advice is often wrong. If you blindly chase trends, you will most likely go nowhere. So what topic should you choose? The answer is very simple. Choose a topic you genuinely care about. It doesn't have to be big and it doesn't have to be trendy. It can be philosophy, motorcycle gear, mechanics, or literally anything. Think of YouTube like a live performance behind a big glass window. At first, maybe only 2 people come in and sit down. Then people outside look in, they see the performance, and they see others watching. Soon it becomes 10 people, then more and more, until the seats start filling up. But here's the important question. If those first 2 people didn't enjoy the show and left in the first minute, would anyone else come in? Of course not. That is exactly how viral videos work. Your job is to hook the viewer and give them a reason to stay. Now let's be honest with ourselves. Will you perform better talking about something you truly love or something you chose just because it was trending? The answer is obvious. Another very important rule is never try to start on the biggest international stage right away. No actor starts their career on the biggest stage in the world. Yes, there are rare exceptions, but they are not the rule. Starting on a smaller stage means less competition, faster growth, and more room to learn. And once you gain experience and confidence, you can move to the bigger stage. That smaller stage means starting with a focused community, an audience that understands you, connects with you, and grows with you. From there, expanding globally becomes much easier. Finally, thank you for watching this video. I truly respect you for being here, because the things you just learned are rarely explained this clearly. If you have any questions, I'm always here. Feel free to ask. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are some very important videos coming soon.